it's Seriously Quisha back with another video, and today I'm just gonna be doing my hair. I got a wig, so we're gonna try to get this thing together. So, oh yeah, let me go grab some. I got my Got To Be glue, the spray. I got this also, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this. I got my blow dryer, and so this is the wig that I got. It looks like this, but it's a different color. So let me pull it out so you guys can see what it looks like. Something like this. I got it in the color LFW. No, I didn't. I got it in the color GFF Juicy CO. So, oh, I forgot to put my mic. Hey, babe. Can you bring me my mic in my Marc Jacobs bag downstairs? I said, can you bring me my mic out of my Marc Jacobs bag? Yes, for my camera. I'll be talking so low, y'all are not be able to hear me. I just got up and I still forgot the scissors. So I'm back. I got my scissors. Okay, but anyway, so I know y'all see this cap. It's more than likely too light for my head, so I'm just gonna have to use some foundation on top, because I'm gonna do like a middle part. This is the wig. Look at that. Look at the colors, y'all. I had to get it. Like, look at it. So freaking beautiful. Hopefully y'all can see the true color. Like, this is, I want to dye my hair this color. Like, seriously. Seriously. So it's a lace front wig. So, you know, ear to ear type thing. Now that's gonna be hard for me because I'm not the best at trying to lay down a wig. So, look at this hair everywhere. Where is this supposed to go? That side or that side? All right, anyway. So that's gonna be kind of like, that's gonna be the struggle for me. So even doing this little part. So I think we pull this down. Take over my ear. So I'm gonna try to work this out. Y'all just gonna have to follow along or something. Just watch me do me. Okay. So I'm just gonna speed up this part and y'all can watch me struggle because I really don't know what I'm doing. So yeah. Okay, so I did my first layer. I think I need to do it twice. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. So you know how you do the front like this, but how you do the back? Yeah, I don't know. You know what? Let me see how this wig look on it right now. So it comes with these little hooks in the back that make it tighter, and that jump is not going on my head like that. So I'm trying to take it off with these nails. Oh yeah, so I got this wig from Sounds Beauty. It was like $23.99, and I added like some bobby pins for free shipping. I think when you sign up for Sounds Beauty, they give you free shipping, but you have to spend like over $25. So the bobby pins, they were like buy one get one free. So I was like, okay, and they ain't no cheap bobby pin. They like the smooth suede feeling bobby pins. Why can't I get this off? So I mean, if I fuck this wig up, I mean, I ain't spend that much on it anyway. I can't get the damn. I'm finna get ready to cut this thing because I get aggravated so freaking easy. Alright, there you go. And they got combs in the back, so I'm thinking that's how I do the back with the comb thing. I don't know. So I mean, it's gonna be cute once I get this thing on now. I think I'm supposed to go in and cut it. I think. I won't cut with the little edges I have. I'm nervous. Where's my hairline? I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna be real big deal bad. I think I'm doing okay, y'all. I think I'm doing okay so far. I see my edge right here. Don't cut that, girl. I ain't got enough to be cutting now. So do I? I don't know. Is that it? I need to cut the rest. Okay. So now I think I can use the glue for this part. So I got my red silicone. Just gonna dab it. First of all, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, did you see my battery in my purse?
Let me look. Yes.
I need it. My camera finna go dead.
Okay. This one charged?
I hope so.
Okay.
Alright. I'm back. I did the wig off camera because my battery died. And because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. But here it is. This is the end result of the wig. It was looking like Barbie doll hair. So I kind of frizzed it out. I used my teeth comb to, you know, make the roots, you know, thick. But they keep falling, so I might have to spray them with some holding spray. But all in all, I love it. You know, got the color right here. How the back look. But yeah, so this is my Thanksgiving hair. It looks good. What y'all think? So yeah, I only paid $23.99 for this wig on Sounds Beauty. Can't beat that. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you ain't wasting too much money on a wig. So yeah. But yeah, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.